In this video, I will be going through the second part of tutorial 1 on Multisim. The first thing you are asked to do is clear all the voltage current probes from the previous exercise. Once you've done that, you need to place a reference voltage at point 1 and a voltage probe at point 2, choosing the reference ref1. We're then asked to change the simulation type to DCOP, and the reason this is useful in this situation is because we're dealing with DC components which don't change over time. With this setting, we don't need to stop the simulation as it just stops automatically. And another reason this is useful is because it gives the output values in a really nice table which you can actually export as a CSV file. Okay, to do the second quiz, we did the same as we just did, but for the different points we're asked about. We need to find the potential difference between points 1 and 4. So we can recycle the same reference probe, but we need to place another voltage probe at point 4. The same for C. We place a reference voltage at point 2 and another voltage probe at point 6, but this time the point 6 will have to be referenced to ref 2. For D, we place the reference at 4 and the voltage probe at 5, again with respect to ref 3. Finally, measuring the potential difference between points 2 and 3, we already have a reference at point 2, so we just need to place a probe at point 3 and measure it against reference 2. Now we just need to run the simulation, and if you look at the graphical output, you have a table with all the different measurements.